Hi, I'm Shubham, and on this channel, I want to do something different. Put all conventional wisdom on trial. Too often, we accept ideas simply because they are repeated, not necessarily being true. I realized in my own life that some of the strongest beliefs I had completely changed when I started questioning them and stopped following the herd. Before I dive into big topics like religion, culture, technology, or society, we need a toolkit. And that's what my first series is about, the skills of critical thinking. Because to challenge assumptions, we must first untangle our own thoughts. Over the next 5 videos, we'll explore what is critical thinking, how to spot logical fallacies, how to evaluate sources for information, how to ask better questions, and analyze the structure of an argument. These aren't just theories, they're practical toolkits that will help you challenge ideas. And these ideas will be yours, mine, and the society's. So, if you're ready to question, critique, and re examine what we think we know, let's take this journey together. On this channel, all ideas and all beliefs will face the common test of critical thinking.